Hi boys and girls, this is the review worksheet. We're going to go ahead and read the directions. It says change the mixed number to an improper fraction. So we're going to change it to an improper fraction, then draw a rectangular model to represent the improper fraction. So here, I'm going to rewrite it so I can see it a little better. Our fraction is 1 4/5. So I need to go ahead and take my whole 1 and change it to a fraction, which is going to be 5/5. And the reason that I used 5 was because I looked here at this denominator and I realized that there were 5 pieces in this whole. Therefore, I'm going to change my 1 into 5/5. And that's plus this 4/5. So my new fraction is 5/5 plus 4/5 equals 9/5. So 1 4/5 is equal to 9/5. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw a rectangular model for that. My denominator is 5, therefore I need to break this up into 5 pieces. Out of those 5 pieces, I have 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I need 9, so I need to draw another rectangular model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And since I have 5 already here, I'm going to go 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, this rectangular model, this is 9/5, which is also equal to 1 whole. Here's my 1 whole. And 4 out of 5, or 4/5. So that is for number 1. Okay, number 2, I'm just going to show you the answer really quickly. We have 1 2/3, so I have 2/3 plus, and I'm going to change my 1 whole to 3/3. 3/3 plus 2/3 is 5/3. And I'm going to go ahead and show you my rectangular model. I have a denominator of 3, so I have 3 pieces. And out of those 3 pieces, I need to have 5. 1, 2, 3. So I need to draw another rectangular model with 3 pieces. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a total of 5. Therefore, this is equal to 5/3, which is also equal to my 1 2/3. Okay, go to number 3, which is this next one. Next row, we have 1 3/4. So I have my 3/4. There's my 3/4 plus. Now I want to take that whole 1 and change it to a fraction. So the whole 1 would be 4/4. I look at my denominator here and I want to quickly be able to add it, so I have to have common denominators. 4/4 plus 3/4 equals 7/4. I'm going to go ahead and draw my rectangular model. Because my denominator is 4, that means my square is going to be broken up into 4 pieces. My numerator tells me that I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to have 7, so I need to draw another one. Break it up into 4 pieces. Again, add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this rectangular model represents 7/4, which is also 1 3/4, which is my original fraction. Okay. Second one in the second row, 1 1/6. So I have 1/6. And I need to change my whole number into a fraction, so it's going to be 6/6. Got to look at that denominator, and that's going to tell you what this denominator is going to be. It's going to be 6, so to have the whole thing, I have to have 6 pieces. 6, 6, 6, 6 plus 1 6 equals 7, 6. Go ahead and draw your rectangular model. I have one hole. Break it up into 6 pieces. Out of those 6 pieces, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but I need to have 7, so I have to draw another rectangular model, break it up into 6 pieces. 6 pieces. So in this one, I had 6 and 7. So this one represents 7, 6, or 7 out of 6, which is also equal to my original fraction, 1 whole. You can see here, 1 whole, and 1 6. Okay, third row, 1 and 5, 6. Take that down, there we go. So 1 and 5, 6. I have 5, 6 plus 1 whole, which I'm going to change to 6, 6. Add those up, that gives me 11, 6. Show that in a rectangular model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of those 6, I want 11 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I have to have 11. I'm going to go ahead and draw another one. 6 pieces. I have 6 here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this one represents, love when that happens, 11, 6. Or it also represents 1 whole and 5 out of 6. 4, 1 and 5, 6. Okay, now this last one I kind of threw in a subtraction problem for you to kind of see how this is working. So when we went over subtraction today, we needed to first change our mixed number to an improper fraction, which you have been doing for the last problem. So I'm going to change the 1 and 2/3 to an improper fraction. So I have 2/3. I'm going to change the 1 to 3 3s. Add those up. 3 3s plus 2 3s equals 5 3s. So instead of 1 and 2/3, I'm going to use 5 3s, or 5/3. So 5/3 minus the 4/5. Well, I want to go ahead and represent 5/3 in a rectangular model. So I'm going to draw this. There are my thirds. I have 5 of them. 1, 2, 3. I got to draw another one. 4 and 5. Okay, so this right here is 5/3. Well, if I have 5/3, I cannot take away 4/5. I need to have common denominators. So for 4/5, here's my 4/5, I'm going to draw another rectangular model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And out of those 5, I have 4 colored in. So I need to make sure that my blue and my red rectangular models have the same unit. So in order to do that, I'm going to multiply them by each other. So here I have my blue is 3 units. So I'm going to take it over and break up my red into 3 units. And my red was 5 units. So I'm going to take it and break my blue into 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So now I have a total of 15 units, and you can go ahead and count them. So therefore, 5/3 changes. So I'm going to look over here. So I originally have 5/3 minus 4/5. Well, now if I look at my blue units, I have 15 in a hole. There's 15 in this hole. And out of the 15, I have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So I have 25 15ths minus, and if we look over here, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 15ths. So we can go ahead and just do 25 15ths minus 12 15ths, or we can take away 12 15ths from our blue picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 15ths. There is my answer. Okay. And simplifying fractions, again, I told you you must know your multiplication facts. So looking at these fractions, I know I can simplify the first one, 7/21, because that I know that I can divide both of these by 7, and that would give me 1/3. 3/15, looking at my multiplication chart or knowing my facts, I know that they can both be divisible by 3 or divide by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So my simplified fraction is 1/5. 4/20, again, I told you guys if it ends in a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, I can divide by a 2, which would give me 2/10. But 2 and 0, I can divide again by a 2. You have to keep dividing until you can't by the same number, which is 1/5. Or you could have done it this way, where you know automatically that they're both divisible by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Go ahead and try the last 3 problems, and I'll see you tomorrow.